Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? I'm doing great. Well, this week is going to be basically a sweet week. Alright, I'll be making some sweet dessert. Today's recipe is going to be Guyanese coconut buns. It's a very simple recipe, and trust me, your kids would love it. So all the mothers and fathers out there, you can make this at home for your kids, because my kids love it. I will be showing you guys step by step how to make this buns, and trust me, it's gonna come out perfect. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for subscribing and leaving your comments down below requesting what other dish you want me to make. Thank you so much for doing that, and I really appreciate it. So let me just show you my ingredients. Hey guys, this is my ingredients for my Guyanese coconut buns. So we have some flour here, some freshly grated coconut, some butter, sweet cherry, whole milk, evaporated milk, white sugar, brown sugar, raisin, baking powder, nutmeg, and cinnamon, and some egg. So let me just start mixing my ingredients and let you guys see. So the first thing you're gonna do is mix in all your dry ingredients. So we're gonna put in the nutmeg, cinnamon, and the baking powder, and you're gonna mix it up together like this. Mix it up real good. Then you're gonna add your butter, and you're gonna take your hands and you're gonna mix it up. It's just like if you're doing like a pastry dough. So you're just gonna mix up your butter into the flour. Okay, so I finished mixing up my butter into my flour. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put in my coconut. Mix my coconut up into the flour like this. Just use my hand instead. Yes. Mix your coconut now into the flour. Okay guys, I just mixed my coconut into my flour. So what I'm gonna do now is put in my sugar. I'm just gonna put in 1 cup of the white and half cup of the brown. It all depends on how sweet you want your buns to be. So if you want your buns to be really sweet, you can put more sugar in it. Or if you don't want it to be sweet enough, you can put less sugar. I like my buns to be sweet. So I'm gonna mix this up now with my hands. Okay guys, so I already mixing my sugar into the dough. So what I'm going to do now is to put in some milk. And also, I forgot to mention earlier, you have to use vanilla essence and almond essence. So I'm going to pour in my vanilla essence and my almond essence and mix everything up. Okay guys, so I done mix my milk into my dough. So what I'm gonna do now is put my 1 egg inside and mix it up. Okay, so I just mixed in my egg into my dough there. So what I'm gonna do now is put in my raisin and mix my raisin into my dough. Okay guys, so I already mixed my raisin into my dough and it's at the right consistency right now. So I already preheat my oven. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put it in these two pans here. I might put it on another pan as well. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just take a spoon. When you're making buns, right, it don't have to be a perfect shape. Buns are not supposed to be a perfect shape. So what I'm gonna do is just put it onto my pan like this. Perfect. And put another one on the pan like this. Just keep putting them on the pan like this. Okay, so I put my buns in the pan there. So what I'm gonna do now is just put a cherry on top of it like this. Just put a cherry on top and put it in the oven for 20 minutes to bake. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I have another pan here. So this bun's gonna be in a different shape. So I'm gonna put some in here. I already fill it up already. So what I want to do now is the same thing like the other one. Put my cherry on top. And when the first one finished baking, I'm gonna put this one in the pan. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this pan here finished. So what I'm gonna do is just take it out and plate it. So this one finished. Okay guys, so this is the end results from my Guyanese coconut buns. See how it come out nice. This is the one that I bake in the cookie pan, and this is the one that I bake in the normal pan. So they both have like a different shape. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and you can leave a comment down below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed. And follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Alright guys, take care. See you next week. Bye.